Is WIX free for a portfolio? Yes, WIX is free to use for creating a portfolio, but with some limitations. The free plan allows you to design and publish a professional-looking portfolio using WIX's drag-and-drop editor and pre-designed templates. This makes it an excellent choice for students, freelancers, or creatives who want to showcase their work without spending money up front. However, the free plan includes WIX-branded ads on your site, and you won't get a custom domain. Your URL will look like yourname.wixsite.com. Additionally, advanced features like ad-free hosting, SEO tools, and password protection for galleries are locked behind WIX's premium plans, which start at $16 per month. While the free version works for basic portfolios, upgrading to a paid plan removes these restrictions and gives your portfolio a more polished and professional appearance. If this video helped explain WIX's free portfolio options, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Thanks for watching.